This is polymer clay. This is rubber cement. By creating irregular pieces of ceramic material in sort of like a brick, as like a brick base, and then gluing them together with rubber cement, you simulate the structure of a bioceramic. This is an example of some porcelain manufactured in China, and this traditional type of ceramic material, while tough and strong, is a lot more brittle and prone to shattering and is less tough than the bioceramics that we see in sea creature shells. So I'm using this wax paper to just prevent the polymer clay from sticking. This is the polymer clay. It smells like alcohol. Call that flat enough. Now I'm going to actually glue together my ceramic bricks with the rubber cement to create the final product that should mimic the structure of shells in marine animals. I'm making sure the layers are really thick so that the flexibility of the rubber cement can serve some service for the final structure. If we look closely, you see the filling is all this rubber cement. And that's the end of my biomimicry of nature's ceramics.